Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use clear formatting in Word to make your document shine. First, you need to open your Word document and then select the text with the formatting you want to remove. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text. So here I will show you. After that, please head over to the Home tab and then locate the clear all formatting in the font section, which is located here. Once you're ready, click the clear all formatting. And then boom, all the fancy fonts, colors, and styles are gone, leaving you with clean and clear text. And that's it. You now know how to use clear formatting in Word to quickly and easily get rid of any unwanted styles and make your documents look professional and polished. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use clear formatting in Word. See you on my next video.